going to the salon right now, so I have to of course get my nails done. Look at how bad they look, and I'm gonna get like a quick trim, not like a major haircut, but just like get them trimmed a little, some sort of prepared for my travel. I don't think anything else I'll get. I was gonna get my laser done, but then I got my period, so I will probably have to shave. And yeah, I'm honestly okay with that. Maybe I'll do it like tomorrow night or something like that. I need to order the shaving kit. And yeah, right now I think I should be booking my Uber and I should be leaving soon. Prepping for the vacation. I was gonna do something extra, but then this is what I'm settling for. Look at my nails, they look so pretty, and look at my hair. These curls won't stay, but then still everything just looks so pretty. I'm so happy, and Anik is annoyed because our car is waiting. And now we are going to the mall. We are going to the mall because there's one thing I want to get for my shoot, and there are 1-2 more things which I need, just like in general, some travel essentials. So I think I'm gonna get those maybe from like Miniso or something, nothing major. I have everything, but then yeah, just like some last minute things. We have come for dinner to this new place. It's like an Asian place. I don't know if it's new or not, but this is our first time coming here, and I'm so hungry. Are you hungry? You are hungry?
Very hungry.
Yeah, so we're just quickly gonna order a few things and then let's see. Guys, we called for a chili cheese ramen, and oh my god, it looks so tempting. It looks so good. I don't think this is how like the actual ramen is supposed to be,
Yeah.
but that's fine. We've called for strawberry mochi ice cream, and I love mochi ice cream, so I have high hopes from this. But I don't know, dude. Let's try it.
Wait, let's try together.
Yeah, but we won't be able to I won't be able to capture.
That's okay.
Yeah.
I will speak out my emotions.
I hope you all are able to listen to Ani.
They are, because there are 3 mics on this camera. Sorry. Bro, this is sort of weird.
No,
Texture.
that's how it
I
is.
think there's raspberry inside.
It's
Like a
good.
bubble gum.
I like
It's a
it.
good palate cleanser.
I
Genuinely.
like it. But it's not feeling fully strawberry.
It's not bad.
But it's, yeah, I actually like it. I get like a 7. We have called for another dessert. We are quite stupid. Blame Anik. He wanted to have something chocolatey. Oh my god, this is huge, Anik.
This is insane.
We won't be able to finish
There's
it.
popcorn inside.
Really?
Yeah.
It's melting. Guys, we are in Anik's new office, and this is a mint, by the way.
Just
it looks different.
to prove it.
Yeah, but this is how Anik's new office looks. But Anik has said yes to this games night plan. I was gonna go home and do packing, but then now we are gonna catch a metro. I have not sat in this metro, so we are gonna try it today. And we are going to our friend's place, and we are gonna do like a quick sort of games night fun there, and then I'll go home, and then I'll probably sleep. But tomorrow morning I have to do my packing. This is not even funny. I think we leave day after and I've not done my packing. I'm so stressed. This is such a cute mirror. Can I take this mirror?
Yeah.
Cute.
There's a college. 9, 8, 7.
I am home. It's literally 12 right now, 12 at night, and I just decided that I want to figure my outfits right now because I'm quite stressed. Like, I'm low-key really stressed because I've not sorted my packing, I've not sorted my outfits, so I'm just like gonna do it last minute. I hate myself for doing this to myself. Like, I really should have not delayed this, but it's okay. We are gonna figure something. Right now I'm just bringing all my clothes and figuring out some looks, and this should be fine. This should be fine. We'll be able to do it. Good morning, you guys. It's the next morning, and I have been surrounded by all my outfits. I'm literally planning all my looks because I always take clothes and then I'm just like, okay, how do I wear it? So I don't want to stress too much when I'm there. So I'm planning my looks, and it's just easier for me. I feel it's just calmer that way, even though I leave tomorrow night and there are so many things that are to be done, like, but it's okay. We're gonna figure it out. Once my outfits are done, everything else will flow very smoothly. So, yeah. I love my trench coat so much. It's from Massimo Dutti. It is such a good investment. I got it on sale. It was for like 15,000 or something, and I got it for 7,000. It was a steal, honestly, and it's so good. It's rich quality. I love the color. I love the way it fits me. I just love everything about it. But anyways, let's try on a few looks. Guys, I feel like I've fully lost the plot because I know 15 days is a lot, but oh my god, this is half my wardrobe. Why am I like this? How am I gonna fit in all of this? This does not even include like my night suits and my workout wear and all of that. This is just my going out outfits. You all can see right there, I have almost all my outfits and everything. I've just put them in like mini stacks, and all I have to do now is just put them inside my suitcase. So I'll do that in a bit, but right now I really need to start sort of cleaning my house because I live alone and I will be leaving my house for like 15 days straight, and I don't think I've done that. Yeah, I've never left my house for a really long time, so I'm quite stressed because it's also almost rainy season, and you know, it's just, if you live alone, you know what I'm saying. There's fungus, there's leakage, there's this and that. There are like weird insects that are, you know, that just breed. So I just really need to start sort of setting up things, cleaning up things. So in general, when I come back to this house, it's clean. Of course there'll be dust, but it'll not be like messy because I will be tired from the travel. So I'm gonna start with my bedroom because it's just easier to sort of figure out my bedroom. I need to clear this top, and I need to clear up my side tables and my nightstands and everything, and that would be it. I'll just like go through things and just remove the things and make sure there's nothing behind, there's no sort of, I don't know, insects or something like that. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but new day, new mall. I want to go to H&M because there were a few things that I ordered online, but they have not arrived yet. So I have to go to the offline store and pick them up, or like hope that, you know, they're sort of here. So let me just go in. None of my pack and prep with me's are complete without a Notion tour. I am such a Notion girly. I love making these. Like, making my Notion board for my travel plans makes me so makes me like want to look forward to it. It makes me excited. I know it's very last minute, but I'm so glad I made it because like it has really gotten me into the mood. Let me just quickly show you all what I've done. I'll just give you all a gist of how I made it. Also, it depends on me. I just like to make them in my style. There's no particular format that I follow, but let me just show you so you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so this is how it looks like. We have a basic picture of I Heart New York, and this is just IST clock widget because even though I will be in New York, I need to know what time is it in India for work, and just in case I want to call my mom or something like that. And then here is like a gallery view. First we have quick links, and if we go here, we have, so basically it has my ticket and then my Airbnb address, and then this is just like an expense section where I will try to track my expenses because New York can get expensive in general. We'll see. I'm very bad at it, but we'll try. And then this is where I have sort of planned a few content ideas for YouTube, Instagram, and stuff like that. Nothing major. This is just like a few links of, what I want to do, a few ideas that I want to execute while I'm there. And then here are a few experiences that I really want to do while I'm in New York. These are just a few that like I really don't want to miss. I might add a few. I'll honestly try to do all of these because I really want to do all of these, but let's see. And then here I have added outfits which I wore, which I tried, which I liked. So just in case I don't know what to wear, I can just like look up this particular board. There are like 20 outfits I think, and all of them I really like. Of course I can mix and match while I'm there and figure out what the vibe is, but this is just like a basic outfit mood board I have for myself. And then here I need to put like shopping spots, cafes I want to try, and viral things that I want to try. I have a notes section where I've written down like exactly what I want to try, so I'll just copy paste stuff from there onto this particular board. And then lastly, this is my packing list. This is what I follow all the time for almost all my trips, and it includes everything, so I really need to start ticking off the things that I've packed. And then this is just a weather widget that I've added, so I'm aware what the weather is like and I can plan the activities and the day in general according to the weather. So this is how my Notion board looks like. I am so happy with how it looks. It's so cute. I'm so excited. Also guys, I usually plan my day-to-day itinerary, but because we are going for like 14-15 days, it's quite hard, and you also have to check the weather to sort of plan things. So I am not really doing the planning of each day on my Notion, but I'm doing it on my Google Calendar. So basically I'll show you like a little bit of how it's looking like so far. I've not done many days. Me and Anik need to sit together and do it, so we'll probably do it maybe when we are in the flight or maybe in the first few days, because it's not going to be too strict. Like we know where we want to go, so we can figure out according to the vibe, time, and also according to the availability of our friends. And yeah, we can work it out, but still like I need to plan it a little more on my Google Calendar only. I'm not using the Notion calendar for this. And apart from this, of course you all know I have my Pinterest boards, but that I've just made for like an overall understanding. So here's how it looks like. There are just like outfit inspos and also like photo inspo, because it's really important for me to get the pictures that I really want to get, and it's hard to sometimes make the other person understand, so I just save a lot of pictures, which I of course have, and I just keep showing it. So like this one, which I think is in the Central Park with the digicam, or maybe something like this with the pizza slice, of course the famous New York pizza slice, and you cannot miss the subway, so I need pictures in the subway. And then of course I'm gonna go to the Met, and I'm gonna sit on the steps of the Met just like Blair and Serena did in Gossip Girls. Those who watch Gossip Girls, they know what I'm saying. So a picture like this has to be taken. This is like an iconic spot. I am also gonna go to the Grand Central Station where we saw the Serena coming back entry. It's also really iconic. I have a picture saved for that as well. I can't find it. But yeah, a lot of pictures saved, maybe like some street pictures, and yeah, just like things like that are there on my Pinterest board. But that's everything I've done. This I made a while back, and it really helped me because making a mood board sort of tells you what vibe you're going for, what colors you're going for. I also added a lot of nail inspo, and that's how I ended up getting these, which I absolutely love, guys. Like, they're so cute. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and I'm gonna just pack everything. I've taken out everything, like everything is outside. Now I just need to pack them in the packing cubes and then I need to put them inside my suitcase. But like I have taken out everything from my cupboard. I've taken out everything in terms of like accessories and etc etc. So we're just gonna wake up tomorrow and get working. Right now I think I'm gonna sleep. I am a little tired. I'm very tired actually, not little. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Good night. Good morning, guys. Oh my god, I've hit this snooze so many times today. I was so tired. I still am so tired. I feel like going back to sleep, but I know that I cannot do that. So we're gonna start with the important stuff. Before I leave tonight, oh my god, I can't believe these words are coming out of my mouth. It's 9 o'clock right now. I will not speak. I will just start doing my work. I will start packing. Okay guys, so far I've done my innerwear, nightwear, workout wear. Bags I've kept, I just need to put them in my trolley. Clothes also I am done with. Footwear is left. Sunglasses are done, belts are done, cap is done, socks are done. Makeup and all of that is left. Hair tools and steamer is done. All of this is left, but most of this will come in my handbag. So yeah, I can just throw this all in end moment as well. Not end moment, but like I can throw it later. Okay, all of this is left. I am planning to carry this bag for my makeup. Like this should be my makeup bag. I think it'll fit everything. And then this is the bag that I'm planning to carry for my skincare. It's quite huge. So this will definitely fit like all my skincare, hair care, whatever, everything. Yeah, these will be the two bags that we will start packing. In terms of makeup, I feel like every time I carry like 7 concealers and like 6 eyeliners and stuff like that. I'm very weird that way. Like by now you all know I'm like an official overpacker, but in terms of makeup I want to carry light because I know I do the same makeup routine every day. Maybe I'll tweak it a little like if we are going for something extra, but otherwise I want to carry the products that I use that, you know, I really want to sort of try or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna put you all on time lapse. I know this video has just been like time lapses of me packing, but like that's what I'm doing, you guys, so I hope you don't mind that. I got these from Miniso, right? So I'm just gonna like start filling them. My face wash. I need a lot of face wash, so I'm just gonna fill like half of it maybe. Is this much enough? That was so easy though. Done. These two will be for my shampoo and conditioner. I genuinely don't know if they are enough, but I can't carry those big bottles, so let me just quickly fill these as well. I need to put my moisturizer as well because no way I'm carrying a big bottle. Wow, this is almost over. The way I use this stuff is insane. I have another one. You all see the way I literally hoard this product. Also done. I don't know if I'm gonna name them or not because it's quite evident. Like this is face wash, this is moisturizer. There's this one bottle which is still left. I don't know what to do with this. I want to put this toner, but yeah, I can't open it. Okay, maybe I'm not gonna use this. Everything has been checked off from my list. I am done. I have packed everything. I have closed all my luggage bags and everything is officially done. We are all set. I have a flight in the next 6 hours. It's a midnight flight, which is why, but I'm so excited. I'll see you guys in the next video and I hope you all enjoyed it. Wish me happy journey.